Hi guys, welcome back. Today I am going to be showing you a delicious, simple recipe. We are going to be making quiche Lorraine. So you guys ready to get started? Let's go. Okay, first let's get our pie crust ready to bake. Our oven is preheating to 350. I have my pie crust here. I'm going to line it with some foil. On top of the foil, I will place my dry beans. That will weigh the dough down and keep the crust from bubbling while baking. And you want to leave it in there for 20 minutes. So now that's done, we're going to pull it out. We're going to poke some holes around the base, and we're going to put it back in the oven for an additional 10 minutes or till it's lightly brown. So now that our pie crust is cooling, let's get to the filling. You're going to lightly whisk your eggs. Once you do that, you will add in your cream, your milk, salt and pepper to taste, and some nutmeg. And then you're going to whisk it vigorously to incorporate and allow some air to come into your mixture so that your quiche is light and fluffy. All right, so we've chopped our bacon. I'm going to line it into the bottom of my pie crust along with my shredded cheese. And now let's pour our filling right on top. Gently stir your egg mixture just to make sure that everything is evenly distributed. Then we're going to take our chopped chives and you're going to just sprinkle them all around. Take a spoon and just kind of move your spoon throughout there just to make sure they're evenly placed. Now that our quiche is put together, we'll need to bake it for about 30 to 40 minutes. After about 30 minutes, you'll want to check it. You will want to do this because you want to make sure that it is lightly jiggly and has some slight movement. You don't want to overcook it. If you cook it too long, your egg will be dry and crumbly. Ooh, look at how heavenly that looks. The pie is set, it's cool to room temperature. The only thing that's left to do is to grab a slice, get you some orange juice, and dig in. Thank you guys for joining me in my kitchen today, and I will see you next time on Fresh Dish Foodie.